Universal Document Converter can create an image or PDF out of any printable file. If a file can be printed, you can convert it to image or PDF. It can create PDF documents, as raster images or searchable text, and files in graphic formats JPEG, DIF, PNG, GIF, PCX, DCX and BMP. Universal Document Converter can work on print server, virtual machine or remote access environments such as Microsoft Remote Desktop or Citrix. Universal Document Converter runs on Windows and it is, basically, a virtual printer. The software integrates into your system as a common printer. And you will see it in your Devices and Printers menu. Right-click it and open Printing Preferences to make necessary settings. There are many ways to customize file conversion to fit your needs. You can save documents as a PDF or image file, JPEG, TIFF, PNG, GIF, PCX, DCX, or BMP. And make additional conversion options and settings, such as document paper size and resolution, crop and resize options, placing a watermark and more. Or just use a template with predefined settings, if you don't feel like going through configuration screens. Quickly convert Word files, Excel sheets or PowerPoint slides into desired format directly from Universal Document Converter toolbar. Just open a Word document and find Universal Document Converter among the tabs at the top menu. Click the Convert document. Select PDF as an output format. You can change the conversion settings here if necessary. Click Save. Processing starts immediately. Our Word document has been successfully converted to PDF and placed to the output folder. You can also use quick conversion buttons to save your document to PDF, JPG or TIFF in one click. Create a password-protected PDF out of any printable file. To create a password-protected PDF, open a document and click Print. Select Universal Document Converter as printer. Click Printer Properties. Go to File Format pane and select PDF document. Select Password Protected option in the PDF Standard drop-down menu. Enter password. Click OK. And click Print. Specify file name, location and click Save. After conversion, the output PDF document will prompt you to enter password. Easily convert multiple files with Universal Document Converter and batch printing software like Print Conductor. To convert multiple files at once, open Print Conductor. Select Universal Document Converter as printer. Add several documents you wish to convert. Once the files are added, you may specify conversion settings by pressing the Printer Properties button. Click the Start Printing button to start file conversion. You will get notified once the files are successfully converted. Download Fcoder Universal Document Converter at print-driver.com.